What's up, everybody? Back again here with a quick install clip. Today we're going to be doing the cabin air filter. I've actually never done it on the STI, so we'll see what it looks like. Here's the part number. If you want it, I'll post a link below anyways, just so you guys have it for reference. But again, should be pretty straightforward. This is basically what it looks like. Here's the back of it. It's got some little push tabs, I guess. You could basically just squeeze them. Should be able to pop the old one out, the new one in. So let's get started. All right, so again, it's going to be behind the passenger side glove compartment here. So first things first, we're going to undo this. I think it's that little, like, I don't know if it's a shock, spring, whatever, to again have access. So we just got to remove this to pop it off. It's literally just that. Next, remove your favorites. What do we have here? Madonna and Bahaman CDs. Let me put these over here. And if I'm not mistaken, I should be able to just pop this off here. Watch me break it here. Let's see. There we go. Ta-da. Ugh, I need to clean this too. Let's put that over here also. Now, you should have access, to the cabin air filter. It's right there. Let me get a light for you guys. Give me just a sec. Alrighty, so hopefully you guys can see that a little better. Got a flashlight on it. But this is what it looks like once you have the glove box totally off here. I'm gonna clean this off a little bit before I put everything back in. But anyways, here's the filter right there. Let me get the new one as well. But you see the little push orientation there. So we should be able to literally, well, it's not very hard at all. Slide this one out. Ugh. So it's a little dirty. I don't know what the hell this is. Let's see, the camera will pick it up here, but dirty. Clean. So again, I've never cleaned this. I've had this car about 4 years, coming up on 5. So again, the filters do look exactly the same. New one, old one. It's literally that simple. Let me quickly, yeah, it looks pretty good in there. There's the, I believe it's just the blower motor right here. Looks like a big old fan in there. A little dusty, but it'll be fine. Let me put this back in here. So again, let's just literally slide the new one back in. Make sure it's all the way seated in there. I think the one I just pulled out wasn't quite all the way seated in there, but that's literally it. Put the glove box back in and you are all done. It'll be all of 15-20 minutes at the very most. So hopefully that was a little helpful. Again, thanks again for watching the random videos I make. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.